Welcome to StoneX, a company shaped by continuous growth, bold moves, and the belief that we're always becoming stronger together. Our story has been built through decades of expansion and strategic acquisitions, bringing together diverse businesses, expertise, technology, and clients under one unified StoneX umbrella. StoneX is evolving rapidly. We're not the same company we were 20, 10, or even 5 years ago, and that's by design. Our trajectory remains upward, driven by innovation, integration, and a deep commitment to serving our global clients. If you're looking for a fast-paced, entrepreneurial environment where collaboration fuels opportunity, you're in the right place. The path ahead is clear: unification, aligning our brands, platforms, and services into a more streamlined, efficient, and powerful global offering. This journey is already well underway. We continue to harmonize our processes, unlock synergies across divisions, and strengthen a unified brand that delivers a seamless customer experience worldwide. Across finance, administration, sales, technology, and beyond, you'll find opportunities to make a real impact. Because a career at StoneX isn't just a role, it's a chance to grow, contribute, and shape what comes next. Together, we're writing the next chapter of the StoneX story, one defined by growth, unity, shared purpose, and the pursuit of excellence. Join us on our journey.